Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, July the 3rd of 2020. And actually, while I am introducing this video, if you want to follow us on social media, here is where you can do that. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how incredibly valuable monthly Forex charts can be for your trading. There's a reason why Darko's pre-market analysis videos have provided our members a very nicely profitable trading approach for over 2.5 years now, and why he is so confident in showing trade setups in advance, okay? Never in hindsight. Everyone's a hindsight genius, right? But in the PMA videos, Darko shows you where we're going to buy or sell ahead of time, and monthly charts are a very important part of the equation. So I hope this video is a real eye-opener for you, because I know that it can help you with your trading. If you like what you see, we would sure appreciate a thumbs up by hitting the like button, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And when you do, click that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. Okay, let's go take a look at how we use monthly charts. Now, if you're a day trader, you might think, like, why would I care about the monthly charts? Well, believe me, they tell a story that is a must read. Okay, in fact, you might not even know this, but at the beginning of every month, Darko does a complete analysis for our Coaches Corner members on all the currency pairs just on the monthly charts. And the process goes like this. We use the monthly chart to build a bias, okay? And then we build a case for entry on the weekly charts by looking at levels that match with the daily chart. Okay? And by the way, like, if this sounds like a lot of work and a lot of hassle to you, then maybe that's why you're struggling with your trading. And it's all of this very tedious background work that Darko does every single day that nobody sees that's responsible for the great performance. Okay? And anyone can learn this stuff if they're willing to take the time and put in the effort. Okay? Because our goal is to teach people to fish. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a short clip of Darko's monthly analysis video for the month of July, which he just produced this past week. And you'll see firsthand the way he uses monthly charts to enhance our profitability by being aware of these higher time frame levels, and then how we use that trading bias to influence the way that we manage a trade for maximum profit. And you'll see this British pound Japanese yen pair in this little clip, and we'll come back to you just after that.
Let's go. We go to the pound yen. In this case, we have a 382 pin bar reversal in the middle of nowhere. Okay, because I'm not looking like too far back. I want to see this fresh ones to be hit. In this case, price hits, and this is an example of what I meant in part one. When price hits this neckline, and this is month of May, this is what happens. Do you see? Let me just make this bigger and grab my pen for you. We hit this level. In this case, price is still doing lower highs, lower lows on a daily chart. Even though we are complex pullbacking, do you see how this swing, let me just remove the clutter and make this bigger. Do you see how this swing in here took out this swing? Okay, and do you see how price retraced back into this neckline, and then goodbye? This is pound yen. This is endless of pips. Okay, and this is where the magic happens, and this is where I want you to take, like, away from here. If you want to learn just something, this is where I want you to see that these type of trades don't grow and I have no idea if price, let me actually just do this live. Let's see, this was the breakout, kind of 26th of May. Let's see if we even had but this is how you find those trades. 26th of May, this was the breakout candle. Oh yeah, are you kidding me? This is a breakout strategy. Price re-established above the significant neckline. This is your entry, low stop loss, and this is what I mean. No needs to be hands-on. Let it run, because you have a shift in sentiment, or shift in trend or bias on a daily chart after hitting a monthly level, and this is where the magic happens. Okay. So this was a live example of how you can apply this top-down into your benefit.
Okay, so you saw Darko point out this monthly level right here. Obviously, really good place to expect there to be some support. We don't know, so that's why we watch for price action. Then he used the daily chart price action together with the hourly chart for entry, and then you saw this huge move up. Okay, and notice where price stopped at this level. Look at this level of here. I mean, this is a very, very well respected level of support. You got to watch these levels. We never know what's going to happen, but this was like close to 900 pips from the entry up to here. So again, the way that Darko reads the price action on all time frames is why he has such confidence in showing trade setups well ahead of time and never in hindsight. And obviously, this doesn't mean that we don't lose. Of course, we have losses. Okay, but I sure hope you can see that this kind of an analysis helps us get onto some very lucrative trades. That's the odds, and it's no fluke, of course, that Darko's record has been so good for so long. I'll just show you an example of actually on the same currency pair from earlier this month. It was on the earlier in June. It was on the same pair on June the 17th. I have a screenshot set up right here. Here was the screenshot that Darko posted to our premium service charts, and you can see this negative pin bar on the monthly chart, lower highs, lower lows, all the way down. See this level here? That's the same level as on the daily chart. This is weekly. This is daily. Now look at the hourly chart. Here's that same level, this dotted line. And notice what's happening here. Lower highs, lower lows. It's going down in alignment with everything. So the sell was right here with a stop above here, and this made a really big move down. I know that Darko ended up with, he took over 200 pips out on this trade. And the reason he held it for that many pips is because of understanding of the price action on the monthly charts together with building a case for entry on the weekly and the daily charts. So I hope you find this stuff as cool as we do. In my opinion, you're really doing yourself a disservice if you're not paying attention to these higher time frame charts. They're one of the big secrets of proper technical analysis and profitable Forex trading and developing a logical trading bias. And again, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe to us. We'd love to have you with us. And finally, I want to say a belated Happy Canada Day to all my fellow Canadians, and also a Happy Independence Day coming up to all of our American friends. Obviously we're going through some difficult times right now, so let's all be vigilant. As our British Columbia health officer says after her COVID-19 briefing every day, be calm, be kind, and be safe. Thanks, everyone. Hope you all have a great weekend. Take care.